Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun in our solar system and the second largest planet after Jupiter. It is named after the Roman god Saturn, known for his association with agriculture and wealth. Saturn is easily recognizable by its distinct ring system, which consists of thousands of individual rings made up of icy particles, rock debris, and dust. Saturn's rings are its most prominent feature. They extend outward from the planet's equation and are made up of icy particles ranging in size from teeny grains to larger chunks, several meters in diameter. The rings are believed to be the remnants of moons or other celestial object that was disrupted by Saturn's gravity. Saturn has at least 82 known moons, with the possibility of more yet to be discovered. The largest moon, Titan, is the second largest moon in the solar system and is of particular interest to scientists due to its thick atmosphere and the presence of lakes and rivers of liquid hydrocarbons on its surface. Saturn's atmosphere is predominantly composed of hydrogen and helium. It also contains traces of other gases such as methane, ammonia, water vapor, and hydrocarbons. The planet's atmosphere exhibits distinct cloud bands and features including a hexagonal-shaped storm system. Saturn has been the subject of several space missions. The most notable mission is NASA Cassini spacecraft, which arrived at Saturn in 2004 and spent over a decade studying the planet, its rings, and its moons. Cassini provided valuable insights into Saturn's complex system and discovered several new moons and features. The Huygens probe, a part of Cassini mission, also successfully landed on Titan's surface in 2005. Saturn continues to fascinate scientists and astronomers, and further exploration and research are expected to unveil more about its magnificent planet and its intriguing features.